Hello viewers, Flipkart Buy Sale is live for Plus and Black members, but if you are planning to buy a tablet, stop right here. I have checked all the major tablet listings, Samsung, iPad and even budget brands, and honestly the deals this time are very disappointing. Most tablets are still sitting at their regular or even higher price tags with almost no real discounts. Samsung's tablet series hardly any price drop. iPads still close to MRP with no meaningful offers. Even mid-range tablet and entry-level tablets have not received proper sale pricing. It looks like Flipkart focused more on phones and accessories and on fashion products, not on tablets. So if you are thinking of upgrading or buying a new tablet, this is not the right time for sale. There is no doubt that Flipkart is offering 10% instant discount on SBI credit cards. Normally this sounds great, but here is the catch. If the base prices are already inflated, even then after a 10% card discount, you are still paying a higher price tag than usual best price. For example, if a tablet usually sells for 25,000 rupees but during sale it's inflated to 28,000 rupees, then after a 10% SBI discount you will get 2,800 discounts, but still the price is 25,200 rupees. So it is higher than the regular deal price. So if you ask me, should you buy any tablet right now in this sale? My honest advice would be no. Don't buy any tablet right now. This buy sale is simply not good enough for tablet shoppers. If you are not getting value for your money and the price are not competitive, if you are serious about buying, wait for festival sales like Christmas sale or Republic Day sale that will occur in 2026. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy any tablet or iPad in this sale. If you have any question, you can ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.